This tutorial goes over how to create an audio announcement in the announcement tool. Creating different mediums to engage with your learners can be extremely beneficial in creating engaging learning material. So the first thing that you want to do is click on your course. From here, click on the announcements link. Click the plus announcement button. We want to give our announcement a title and then a brief description. Then we want to click on the record/upload media drop-down. Select upload/record media. From here, you may be prompted for you to give permission to your microphone or camera. You would want to click allow. Click on the record. Turn off the webcam and then click start recording. Hello and welcome to our demo course. In this course, you will learn ways to navigate the Canvas LMS. I hope you enjoy. Click the finish button and now you can preview your recording. Hello and welcome to our demo. If you're happy with the recording, click the save button. Then click the Save button. From here, we want to go into the student view for a quality check. Hello and welcome to our... Everything looks as it should, so we will leave the student view. And that's how to make an audio announcement in the Canvas LMS.